If you're looking for a fast, easy way to invite team members to teamwork.com and set up a collaborative environment for your projects, you're in the right place. In this quick teamwork explanation, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about adding team members and how you can start collaborating right away. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to invite your entire team and hit the ground running with Teamwork's powerful project management tools. Before we dive in, remember, you can try Teamwork for free by clicking the first link in the description below, where we've got an exclusive bonus just for you. So let's get started. First, to invite team members to teamwork.com, you'll need to log into your Teamwork account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up is simple. Just create an account and you'll be ready to go. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace. Your workspace is the core hub of everything you'll do in Teamwork. This is where all your projects, tasks, and communications are organized, so it's essential to set it up right. To add team members, look for the People section in the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see a button that says Invite People. Click that. You'll then be prompted to enter the email addresses of the team members you want to invite. Teamwork allows you to invite them as full members or restricted users depending on what level of access you want them to have. Full members have complete access to all project details, while restricted users have limited access, so make sure you choose the right permissions based on their role. After entering the email addresses, you can also assign them to specific projects or teams within teamwork.com. This is key if you're managing multiple projects with different groups of people. By assigning them to a project directly from this invite screen, you ensure they'll have immediate access to all relevant tasks and information. Once your invitations are sent, your team members will receive an email with a link to join your workspace. It's super straightforward. Once they click the link, they'll be added to your Teamwork account and can start collaborating immediately. But what if you need to manage permissions later? That's easy too. You can go back to the People section at any time, view your current team members, and adjust their roles or permissions as needed. Whether you need to add more people, change their project access, or remove them entirely, Teamwork.com gives you total control over your team's setup. This is where Teamwork really stands out. It's designed to keep things simple while giving you complete flexibility to scale as needed. You can use it for small teams or large enterprises, and with its intuitive interface, you won't waste time figuring out how to manage your members. Whether you're a digital marketer coordinating with a remote team or managing a large complex project, inviting new members and adjusting their permissions is seamless. And before I wrap up, remember that you can get started with Teamwork for free through the link in the description. Plus, we've secured an exclusive extended trial so you can explore all of Teamwork's features without any pressure. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to invite team members to teamwork.com, assign them to projects, and manage permissions. Don't forget to check out the link below to claim your exclusive extended trial.